Hi everyone, welcome to Sophie Universe, to the massive truth. Wherever you're watching me from around the world, I pray may the good Lord bless and strengthen you. May He open that beautiful side of yours to make you see and understand from my own point of view, to grant each and every one of us our heart's desire. Today I'll be saying whatever I'm about to say in my beautiful second dialect, Pidgin English, the area I'm comfortable in, the area I can talk to people that are like me, the area I can just be me, the area I'll fit talk the way they do me. Pidgin English. Do please bear with me. Today I believe say I will offend many people. Today I believe say many people, majority, not go agree with me, because everybody get the way he or she they think, and I appreciate everybody. I appreciate our differences. I appreciate the way everybody they see. um I want to talk about this thing where they go viral now on social media, about our governor, our NCLC governor Obaseki, and Mr. Dion Osagie. I don't talk about Mr. Dion Osagie, but I never upload the video. I just feel say I make a quick trip in this one before it will cool down, because when food they hot, now they sweet some people. So majority of us don't like food way cold. Food way they warm and food way they hot. Not many of us they like. So that make me want quick talk about this thing. Many people feel say no consign them, but this is our future we are talking about. Many people say Mr. Dion Osagie, they rude, they arrogant, he no respect our governor, he no show respect to others. And I want to put little light into Ram, because I be from Edo, because I am a full bona fide of Edo Benin City, where my governor they stay. Then make this, I might call a conference or make a call on town hall where they do. It didn't go viral. I know here I need to say Dion Osagie not make this rudeness what people they call them. Many of us were not seeing, but as a leader, as a governor, as they come Europe, he want to do conference, I expected him, I expected the people where they speak for him to on camera and tell the world and tell where the Edos say our governor they come. I believe say many people for take the risk, for take the time, for create time, for take their money to enter transport, enter flight, enter bus, go speak their mind. Look the town hall, people where they there, not they up to 60. I don't call that town hall personally. I did very angry, because many of us really don't want change. Many of us really are caged. We dey cage for inside this bubble of not talk to your elder, not talk anyhow to your elder. You see, country where be say younger ones they fear to speak their mind, that country can never grow. Country where democracy dey and you are not using your constitutional rights as an individual. Why they speak all this English why not sabi? When you know they use your constitutional rights and you they say freedom of speech, we get democracy, and you not fit use them. What is the need? What is the use? Wetin be the use? And I not see anything rude about waiting Mr. Dion Osagie talk. I don't know Mr. Dion Osagie personally. I don't know him. I've never seen him. I don't see him for social media. I don't see him for media. I don't see him for different media world. I don't see him for different cyberspace. wetin I want draw people attention to, I just pray you understand and let's deviate from this our ways if we really want change. We no fit dey cry for change and we are not making the change. Country wey be say younger ones, the leaders of tomorrow, cannot question the elderly ones, cannot grow. Now make us dey this mess what we dey for Africa. Because they train us with this idea. Say, no, na elder, you no fit talk to am. For crying out loud, he's a politician. My task, now they take dey pay am. My own task, your own task, now they take dey pay am. So I see no reason why people will on camera they bullying Mr. Dion Osagie because he was just making his opinion. Because he wanted to ask question. Why people will on their camera begin talk say he is rude, he is too rude, and you the same you they cry for change. Why don't we think? Why don't we think before we do something? Why would they let our hate they overshadow us? Why would they let hate when we get towards somebody, they make us they do evil things? Why? And people who did that town hall, no one ask Mr. President, Mr. Governor, what are you doing about this X-Men? Nobody asked what was your intention, why you remove street lights from people where they happy to they inside light. Instead, people they talk about culture, people they rain praise on them. People they tell them, so you are welcome, God bless you, God do this. I'm not saying we shouldn't respect our governor, is our governor, but we should be able as individual to ask people we elected for accountabilities. You they okay for Western world and you don't want to make your own people they okay. Does it really make sense? Which kind Christian you be? Which kind good person you be? Why can't you just let people exercise their constitutional rights? Why will they respect money? Why will they respect money? The mess what would they now because we no fit talk when elderly people they go wrong. We no fit talk. How many people get courage to ask Mr. Governor Obaseki, what was your motive? What did make you give X-Men land for Edo states? I'm not saying he did wrong, but that question should be posed to him. Nobody asked him question, but we were just celebrating him. Me not the thought someone not make anybody not celebrate the governor, but make we give each other rights to exercise their constitutional rights if we really want this change. What did Dion Osagie do? He wants to ask question. Nobody's listening to her. Nobody give him listening ear because we are used to worshiping money, because we are used to corruption, because we are sucked in corruption, because we are crying for what we don't really want. If you want change, be the change you want. Mr. Dion Osagie wants change and he is standing for the change. Mark today's dates. From 92 years, you go see what Dion Osagie do for Edo State, where they will put him for prison for because he dare challenge a politician. Is this the kind of this kind of life we want to live? Now this kind of life we want to make our children live. Now this kind of life you want to live where you go house, it's no better security. Nobody ask him question. He even come up with the idea, or I don't know how I want to talk say talk about X-Men, talk about fake news, talk about how politicians they post different things for social media. But you they come Western world, you not talk to people where they for Western world where get questions to ask you. Many of them who did that time, or kudos to all of you. I respect you, I appreciate you for honoring his presence. I appreciate all of you, but none of you ask him why security not there for your own brothers and sisters for Edo states. None of you ask because you people are so scared, because una dey fear say he too get money na governor, you need to respect your elder. He know before he took that office say bullings must come. I pay, you pay for his salary. So we should be able to ask him any question we want or we deem pleases. Enough of all this living in fear. Fear not get we help. With all due respect to my governor, with all due respect to the followers, but we need to remove this case from our eyes and start to see reality. We really need to remove. Can one person if you tell me the problem with it for Edo State, where one person asked instead of praising him. Young youths, you where they suffer for another man land, you not get one question where you carry, where you write for paper, come ask everybody they form to speak English. Who did that room? Is it not be Edo people did that room? What is stop una from speaking on a language where una no say una not go school? What is stop una from expressing una self properly in a plain way where in go understand? People begin the bullying Dion Osagie, say he not get respect. What did he do? Did he insult the president? No. The governor? No. He wanted to ask question. As a governor of a state, if he say he not see what did Dion Osagie they do, what did Mr. Dion Osagie they do for those states, then he doesn't have the poor masses at heart. He not care about the poor masses. As they give him bullying rich, as they insult him rich, as in fact, if you not hear him from any other person, believe me, he hear him from somebody where I don't want to mention in a way they bully him every day. Young youths where they sell a future for politics, for peanuts. If you are not tired, my brothers and sisters, to the exile, to go house, they carry security, they follow body 24 hours. When you do another man land, you go they waka freely. 2 o'clock, you they waka freely for another man land. Just see streets, see as bush full everywhere, see as erosion full everywhere, see as grass full everywhere. No good road, no good education, no good health care, and nobody was talking about it. All you guys have to do is to bully Dion Osagie. Nobody even say why that boy push masses like him, because he just they say you not recognize me. Why are we this heartless? Why we did this heartless to ourselves? Why we did this heartless to ourselves? You see them for social media and you are angry. You were they angry, not even know say they come Europe. Why are we like this? Why will they cry for this change if we no one be the change? Why will they cry for this change? You go house. You go the fear if they dark, if you for daytime you the fear to enter motor. For night you the fear say they go break door enter your house. For another man land where you did, you know they use key to lock door. Why don't we think, for crying out loud? Why don't we think? You know if you ask Ed that question, then we will remain in this mess. He didn't insult him. He said, if they surprised to him, say the governor say he no know. You know say, let's be realistic to ourselves. Let's stop playing politics and let's stop being slaves to ourselves. This slave of a thing, what would they say? People they use us as slave. Now here, our slave, whether not slave mate or enslavement day, we they enslave ourselves because for our brain we believe say we can never be free from enslavement. We are slaves to money. We are slaves to power. We are slaves to people that will give us peanuts from our resources. We are slaves to people that are using our destiny. I just the verse. This is my opinion. And I don't mean to offend anybody. I just pour my heart because it saddens my heart to see, say, we get fuel for our land, we get oil for Edo State, and we know the sea and the use. It saddens my heart. Say, for Edo, federal road, this road, this white line, where they separate express road, where different motor know where they would, where different motor know their lane. In not the federal road, nobody posed the question, what are you doing about the everyday accidents in Lagos Express Road? Nobody talks about it. All we dey do, we dey give am praise. Nobody asks why you no want make solar energy dey free. Fuel wey we dey buy every day dey put for generator. Do you know say they pollute the air where your brothers and sisters they breathe in for Africa? Do you know that? Why we not they ask questions we supposed to ask? Somebody wey they bold enough to talk, use this constitutional right, we they say e no get respect. And my honorable governor, as a leader, sir, you come from Western world. You know, say we no need you as you need us. We no need you as you need us. It is na honor, na pride, na glory to your part. Say they represent all of us for Western world and for Edo states. You should be pleased. You should be grateful. Say they represent us. Na honor to your own parts. As you come from Western world where you from come, they can bully their politicians because they paid for his damn salary. We were there for Western world, pay for your salary because we they send money, they go Africa where our family they use to they buy food. We the same money go Africa where our family they use till they go hospital where no day. And you talk about healthcare. Our governor talk about healthcare. Why healthcare not there? It is sweet. It good to hear sweet talk. But then what you they do about them? 2 years is enough to at least do something. The hospital where they use billion, with all due respect to Mr. Oshomole, ex-governor, you were with him when he started that project. You know where that project was stopped. You know, you not feel on the, you see, we not the watch news. We not they know what they go on for the world. We were there Western world, not even know what they go on for the world. Not to talk of the ones where they for Nigeria. Not talk of the ones where they for Edo State, where they give only waiting happen for Saple Road, for New Benin, for Igbobai news made they see. Those ones not know what they go on for the world. Now me and you suppose teach those people where they for Africa, not to the bullying people where get courage to fight for you. Mr. Godwin Obaseki, with all due respect, this is what democracy look like. Ex-President Barack Obama, when he rally for Hillary Clinton, the protest come there for there. They insult Barack Obama, they bully Barack Obama, they insult him, they do everything. Do you know what Barack Obama said? He tell them, say, make anybody not bully him. He's using his constitutional right.
No, wait. Hold up. Hey, hold up. It's okay. Hey, hold up. Hold up. Hey, listen. Hey. Listen up. Hey, everybody. Hey. Listen up. Hey. I told you to be focused, and you're not focused right now. Listen to what I'm saying. Hold up. Everybody sit down and be quiet for a second. Now listen up. I'm serious. Listen up. You've got an older gentleman who is supporting his candidate. He's not doing nothing. You don't have to worry about him. You should. This is what I mean about folks not being focused. First of all, hold up. First of all, we live in a country that respects free speech. So, second of all, it looks like maybe he might have served in our military, and we got to respect that. Fourth of all, don't boo. Oh! Don't boo. Oh! Come on. Now, I want you to pay attention. Because if we lose focus, we could have problems. This is part of what's happened here during this election season. We just get stirred up for all kinds of reasons that are unnecessary.
I'm also always trying to remind folks that part of what makes this country special is that we respect people's rights to have a different opinion and to make different decisions about how they want to express their concerns. And the test of our fidelity to our Constitution, to freedom of speech, to our Bill of Rights, is not when it's easy, but when it's hard. We fight sometimes so that people can do things that we disagree with. But that's what freedom means in this country. And so, my hope would be that as this debate surfaces, we're always reminding ourselves that in a democracy like ours, there are going to be a lot of folks who do stuff that we just don't agree with. But as long as they're doing it within the law, then we can voice our opinion objecting to it, but it's also their right. And, I think that it's also important for us to recognize that sometimes out of these controversies, we start getting into a conversation, and I want everybody to listen to each other. So I want Mr. Kaepernick and others who are on a knee, I want them to listen to the pain that may cause somebody who, for example, had a spouse or a child who was killed in combat, and why it hurts them to see somebody not standing. But I also want people to think about the pain that he may be expressing about somebody who's lost a loved one that they think was unfairly shot. And one of the things I always say about American democracy is it can be frustrating, but it's the best system we got. And the only way that we make it work is to see each other, listen to each other, try to be respectful of each other, not just go into separate corners.
Is a democracy land. Nigeria as a whole is a democracy land, like you people said. So why are you locking people in this fear when not they make them use their rights? But you are not the fear to collect tax money to pay on a salary. What is going on here? What did they happen? What did they happen? What I expected from my governor now say he go stop them, make he let John Osage pose the question when he get, because he pays for your salary. He contributes to that economy. As every other Edo state, they pay for your salary. You should have, as a learned man, as a man we don't travel, we don't see things, we know what to be democracy. You should have given him the chance to speak. Not say you just sit down. They feel like king. They feel like king. With all due respect, sir, I am sick, I'm tired to see my people, they suffer every blessed day. I am sick, I'm tired to see my people go Africa, they fear, say, oh, waiting what happened today. I'm sick, I'm tired of seeing my brothers and sisters being robbed every day. I'm sick, I'm tired to see young children, they put gun for their hand. I'm sick, I'm tired to see young children, no, they go better school. Nobody asks why school still be like that for Edo States. I went to Olua Primary School, and for Olua Primary School, I sat on the floor. Now when I talk, say I want to use my beautiful second dialect, and also speak good English. Now because of all these politicians fought, till today, till date, children still they sit for ordinary ground, and nobody posed that question to them. You are crying for change. You are crying for respect. You dey cry for respect. What did you do? What did Dionosage do? Question what Dionosage want ask, we will not let him ask. Who can ask that question? But we only see say rude because we hate him with passion. He put his life for risk because he knows. Say he go collect bullying. He know say one or two things go happen to him for that corrupt country, for that corrupt Edo State when he go house, but he didn't care. We don't see that risk he take. We only see say he no respect elderly person. Before he go that seat, he knew. He know if you want to be a responsible man. I'm not saying you are not responsible, sir. Please, I'm sorry. If you want, okay, let me change the phrase. If you want to be an elderly man, if you're not going into politics, because you cannot please everybody, you must get rebel one place, as Jesus Christ get who can rebel against them. Everybody cannot like you. He knew before he went there. So you people should stop. They make people shut up. You people should stop to make people living in fear. Are you not tired of poverty? Are you not tired? Are you okay? What if there's a politician, if he put solar energy, if he put solar energy for streets, what is stop our governor to give us lights like that instead of giving us what did they pollute the air? Fuel. Oh yeah, they pollute the air. The kind of pollution what would they get for Edo State? Only Edo State. Look, the pollution of Edo State not be here. You on generator, me on generator, the other one on generator, the other one on I pass my neighbor, the other one on na me superior pass. All the smoke where they come out, they pollute the air where your brother and your sister they breathe in. But if they give us solar energy, we got the money in Edo State, but they embezzle the money. Let's call a spade, and let's speak the truth so that your own brothers and sisters can be free. You can be free in Western world where you did. Not they listen to sweet talk where they tell you because now waiting they gladden your hearts. Now waiting they give you joy. Now waiting you want your because you they look for position. That position will come and it's for part-time. It's for part-time. May they give us this solar energy. May we foresee better air they breathe in. Different sickness for Nigeria because of the pollution of air. Because they don't pollute all air. Now the only thing where Nigeria put hope on now fuel. Can't we do other things? Solar, if this solar energy come up, do you know say all these politicians go lost billions of money and I make them not want do. I'm not say they don't know say good. The only one way they do now, somebody wants to come out and nobody's asking why. Nobody's asking why. Why would they do like this? Why would they do like this? Why? Why would they do like this? Are you not tired of living this kind of life? If you never tire my brother, if you never tire my sister, me, it don't reach me here, not be here. I'm tired. I don't tire. To sit down for a room, somebody will call you say, oh, a pikin one die, because they don't pay doctor don't want treats. I'm sick, I'm tired. Where our politicians, now they go the our politician children, now they go the hospital where they say better for me and you. Go visit UBTH. Go visit UBTH. Leave all those talk where my governor come dey talk. He's my governor. He's my governor, and I respect him as an adult, as a father, as an elderly person. But the truth must be told, because he put himself in that position. This is my constitutional rights. Use your constitutional rights if you truly want change. Ask for accountability. Not they ask people when you're not supposed to ask for accountability. You know they pay those people. You they pay your politicians to represent you for anywhere for the world. I dey vex because they not announce am say e dey come Europe, whether na Benjamin go, they didn't announce it. Many people for go ask question. Maybe me for still go. Yeah, when I roll the police. Maybe me for still go. I for now you can't crack my brain, can't speak English. Tell them fine, simple and clear, sir. Not mind me. Now this English now is a bit because politicians like you, sir, not make me go school. Politicians like you not give me better education. Those who promise us because before I reach there. Even if you not vote for him, for the fact is representing you, for the fact that you don't do that office, you they pay for his salary. Maybe I for ask him question with pidgin English where you go understand. With language where you go understand. Why would they do like this? Why would they do like this? Why Nigeria, why Edo State still be like this? Would they care just for this bubble? Where be say you not get respect, or you just the talk to your elder anyhow. How can somebody tell me the way it talk to a governor anyhow? Governor where in the help not recognize them, say he no know him. Can you imagine? Say he no know him. Is that not insulting? And I watch one video where can they talk say he can't feel big, he can't feel big, they praise himself. Say for my dad, my beautiful Edo Bini say osikpalori de wegede girl, mami not see ona fie wona win ye. Lisa not see who praise him when he come from up, he praise himself. Because me and you know say you where they give him bullying can never praise him. If the governor of Edo State where in the help. Where in the help, say he no recognize them. See, he need to praise himself. He need to praise himself. How can a governor of Edo States? How can a governor of Edo States? He did that Edo there. If foundation did that Edo States, he say he don't know that kind of person. He say he never hear of him. He say he never see him. He not supposed to invite that kind of person come in office. Look for how he want to assist them to make the poverty uplift small. Even if you say no fair no one before, as they bully and say, if you don't want to ask questions, sit down. He is in the position as a leader to tell them, say, you let no Mona not worry, Mona let them talk. Mona let them ask question when you want to ask. Nobody ask question. Everybody they talk about our culture want to come, how they want to ban church, how they want to do this, how they want what it concern now, where they affect our life. Nobody ask. Nobody ask. Opportunity they say come but once. All of una we come there. Una not go see that governor again. Opportunity come but once. The common as well there for Edo State cannot reach where Governor Obaseki did. So what are we not getting? Why would they bullying people where they put their life at risk to speak out? Why? Why? Why Nigeria as a whole jaga? Now because of this phrase, you know they respect elder. You not get respect for elder. He was to say a paegui. I know hear one thing where it is say God punish you. You are not responsible, sir. He was only voicing his opinion. It hurts when you dey try your best to do something and people are not recognizing it. It hurts, eh? It hurts. Every now oh my people, see, for this life, we will for this life, anything we sow, we go reap am. Anything where any of us sow, we go reap am. Because me personally, I believe say na this earth, na be heaven, na this earth, na be fire. We go reap anything what would they do. If you want change, be the change you want and stop worshiping money. Money na paper. money not dey follow you go that kingdom. Money cannot make you be happy. You can only be happy when you have things that money cannot buy. What is that? Love. When you don't have love, I pity. Because you too like money, you don't even want care who you dey hurt. For Edo State, people die, children, see pikin die because gas, they put a generator for room. If solar energy dey, wetin consign dem consign better pass my neighbor. Wetin consign dem consign am. We never ready to change. We just dey make noise. We are not ready to change. I don't mean to offend anybody. But it hurts me to see people they live this kind of life. It hurts my spirit to see say people don't want change, but they are crying for change. It hurts me. You know, say na elderly man, give respect to him because he sit down for chair. See, he is your governor. He is your governor. He is your governor. How I want to talk on? He's a politician. Now you they represent. Without you, travel where they come, any expenses where you do for there, anything where you buy for that Benjamin, it is your money and my money. Now you take buy. The flight, private jets, or anything where enter take come, me and you not pay for them. So why you go come to tell me say it gets limits? Why I supposed to ask my question? People where they sell pure water, they sweat every day. They never enter private jets. People where they sell orange, they never enter private jets. They don't even fit transport go Lagos, but they pay for his transportation. They pay for his feeding allowances. They paid for his shopping fees. They paid for everything. Then somebody will say, you don't get right to ask question. Now only Dion Osage now fits within me. They bold enough to ask some certain questions where fear not let other people ask because of the phrase, you know, they respect elder. Country where be say that they shut children up cannot grow because the children now they ask question where not they fear. Now children now they ask vital questions. We dey live for this fear of don't ask. For Europe, your pikin will ask you any question and you must give them answer. Now make them they successful pass us. Now make them better pass us. You ask question. What you don't know you ask. You come to talk about church. What you concern those say that for real, God bless you, man, and they need to pay tax. They need to pay tax. All these churches where they open for corner. That one are true. They need to pay tax. But you know, Governor Obaseki, not be because of that one I come. You on your camera and talk to pastors. Talk to pastors to start paying tax. Talk what's really important now. Children they die because no better health care. See UBTH now Jabada. See what did they call the other hospital? Go specialist. UBTH and specialist is nothing to write home about. What? Leave computer. At least if you go visit those hospitals, you go dey fear make Iruansa, make bed bug, not follow you come house. Leave computer first. Give them good bed first. When you give them good bed, sickness not go quick kill them. Even the disease where they for those hospitals, they fair kill the patients. You they tell people what people want here, and what una they see, una want ignorant because they tell una say na fake news. You go home, just go visit people for hospital. Go visit people for hospital. See the kind of life where people they live for hospital. See bed where people they stay. Then you where they come from Western world, ask yourself whether you know go die or do you only see that bed. Say they want put you for that kind of bed. One of my friends say she they sick, they can't go hospital. He tell and say no. She won't go okay her ticket because she the fear say she go die. What be all this one now? Why would they deceive ourselves? Are you telling me say no, our governor say they need to train good doctor? Are you telling me say there is no good doctor in Nigeria? In Edo State there is no good doctor? UBTH is the best hospital, just that they don't encourage the doctors. Money where those doctors parents spend for their school, it be like waste, because when you don't get equipment to do something, you will be lazy to do things. You will be very lazy to do things. Which school you want for training? School where cow they stay? I understand say na religion war, but you do your own part. Do your own part, sir. Stop those cow from going to schools where children they go. Even if say na abandoned school say they want to use and get cow not get anything to they do for city. Nobody ask that question. What the cow they do for streets where human being there? How many times you don't see cow for streets of Bayelsa? How many times you don't see goats for Europe Road? How many times? And nobody's asking this question and you are crying for change? Like, why are we like this now? Why are we like this? If they throw party, they go on camera, put on for Facebook, make everybody see. Say Governor Obaseki, they do party. Say Governor Obaseki, they do something. But Governor Obaseki is coming to Europe. Nobody put on for social media. I didn't see it. Nobody put on. How many people did that hall? People where they select, where one can they crack English, where one can appreciate them, where one can give them compliments. Where one can give them compliments. That one not be say you they respect your elder. That one be say you they sell your rights. That one be say you they enslave yourself by yourself, because you know the truth, you know what you they suffer, you know what your parents, your children, your niece, your uncles they suffer for Africa. Why would they do like this now? Why would they do like this? Why would they cry for change? We will not really need this change. Why? If children don't ask adult question, we cannot move forward, because now only children go fit now don't see things, now know waiting they right and waiting not they right, now go fit ask. When will they live for this fear? Say, oh, respect your elder, not ask question. You can't ask question. When they ask question, they disrespect your elder. We cannot move forward. We cannot move forward. That is the truth. Asking question not mean say they disrespect person. The only thing when I hear for that video now say in the case is a question for crying out loud. We take things so personal. We take things over, how do they speak the English? Over proportion. Whether on proportion that they call it, whether on concussion, I don't know. We take things out of hands. And you're bare. No, and it's simple as that. Then another youth for back there say, if you don't get question to ask, just sit down. That shows the hate in your heart and you asking for change. What's it be all this one now? When I'm not the fit for poor people. When I'm not the fit for people. If we're not fit for people, we're not fit for those children. Those kids will die for room with generator. If we get solar energy, those things will not happen. If we get solar energy, where that man put for street, where Governor Obaseki say he want come out because he not going to seek permission for his hand, so it dey easy like that. Say somebody, individual, if he put on, and you as a governor, where say you bring change, where you need better for Edo State, you cannot do it. You cannot do it. And they tell us the word that touches the marrow. We are tired of the word that touches the marrow. We need action. We need action. There are some things you just do. Say, oh, more pray. The time of prayer don't pass. This is the time for action. This is the time for action. How somebody go they die? Somebody go they die for room. You know they outside they pray. Oh Lord, please, oh God, please, don't let it happen. Don't let it happen. Instead of when they pray, mona go call police come. There are some things you don't need to pray for. There are some things you just need to take action. Take action. This time what would they for Edo State now action. This time what would they for Edo State now to ask ask for accountabilities. With all due respect to the supporters and the followers of Mr. Godwin Obaseki, he is my governor as well. I am a full bona fide of Edo State. He is my governor. I have the rights to ask him why. 2 years is enough. UBTH, fix it. See babies bed for Nigeria. You go dey cry for these babies. You go dey cry for children. Children, that God, well, why will they do like this now? Why we not need change? Why? You know they comfortable. We were there for Western world. Let me they talk to. So we not they comfortable for this Western world. Why we not need the same thing for our brothers and sisters for Africa? Why we not need our neighbor they comfortable as we they comfortable for another man land? All of us the exile they go because there is no good security. For Edo State, the small girl guests come out, they carry go Libya and nobody asks say why is there no security? For Edo State there, Esme they kill people. I still like what, not be say he not talk with it good though. He still talk with it good, but those words are the word that touches the marrow. Those words are the words of politicians. Give us action. Those words now just word where they touch marrow, where they make you, they say, oh, maybe. He will go back and go, he not go fit. He not go fit, he not go do anything. I know they talk say he never do anything good though, since where he take come. I know they talk say he never do anything good. You can't please everybody. That one a short banker. You know if you do everything for under 4 years. You know if you do everything, but he has been there before they elected him. That is what I'm trying to say. I not say he never do good thing. I not talk say he come back pass for the world. But there are some things as an Edo man, as an indigene, where you supposed to do. For even saying, for even talk and say you not recognize somebody where they assist you. They remove poor people for streets. Mr. Governor Obaseki, with all due respect, sir, you fuck up. You fuck up big time. You fuck up. Bros, sister, and Simon are not taking personal. Mona not take am personal. If una come from home where they call poverty home, una go know wetin they talk about. If una grow for streets, una go know wetin they talk about. If una know wetin be suffer, if una mama they wake up 6 o'clock for morning, they go slaughter, just go wait to carry the best, una go know wetin they talk about. We should stop now. May we stop this thing now. May we beg. May we stop to the worship paper. This paper not they follow us go heaven. This paper not they give us rest of mind. Now before they feel say when you get money you will be happy. Now like when you have money, now you can be the saddest person for this life. Because if that money not genuine, if you not get waiting they give you happiness, that money now useless. You can only be happy when you have things, when you have something that money cannot buy. Then every other things will be added onto it. Seek love first before you start to run follow money. Worship love first. Worship humanity. Worship love. Make your neighbor comfortable. Then you will be comfortable. You will be comfortable. The love of money is the root of evil. The love of money, they make you not they see your poor brothers and sisters, because you they think how you wanted there for the position to come and oppress people, because you love the way those wicked politicians that they oppress you. You love the power where they get. You love to enslave human being like you. Then you will still come and say, oh, I love God, I'm a Christian. Which kind of heart we get? Why are we this greedy? Why we dey this greedy? Why we dey this greedy? You never tire. How many people for there bring them up? That accidents, with things, Jesus, when people they roast for express road, for express road, like say something not dey, like I don't just know. For Europe, trailer of a fuel, not the pass, not the kwekwegbe, not the pass all those as they take the pass and not talk say one road go back. They get those lines, white line where they put where you go they follow. Where you go they follow. Who cares? Nobody care. Who cares? Nobody. Nobody care about anybody. Road safety go they collect bribe. They know say you come off for lane where you suppose dey, you dey endanger another person's life. Go see you, collect bribe from you, say you want maneuver, and they will do nothing about it. Give them 2,000, they are okay. You can go kill yourself. They don't care about humanity. They don't care about the poor. They only care for their big tummy. When you don't start speaking out, God will not come down from heaven to speak for you. When you stop to this, when you continue to shut people up, all in the name of not talk to your elder anyhow. He not talk to his elder anyhow. He just wanted his opinion to be let out. He just wanted to ask questions as an Edo Idiji, as a Nigerian. He wanted his opinion to come out. Nobody criticized that his brother wey push him. Nobody thought say wetin he do not good. How you go push human being like you because he want ask a governor question? Nobody see that one. All wetin we see now say if they talk to a elder anyhow. How they talk to a elder anyhow? How they get talk to a elder anyhow? Everybody get the way they talk. Some people they talk with cool voice. Some people they talk with harsh voice. Not mean say they rude. Must everybody just sleep, carry head, face one side? Your character is different from mine. Appreciate my character. Let me appreciate your own. We are different. Let's celebrate our differences. No celebrate them because if they talk rude, not make them say na. Or sorry to use the word rude, because if they talk like that, not make them rude. Not make them they rude. Is angry the way people they stay for darkness for Nigeria, for Africa, for Edo states. Is angry about it, and you there for Western world they enjoy another people good hearts, and you don't want the same thing for your people. And at the same you will come out for social media say that country na shit hole. Now the same you will come out for that for social media say, oh, there is nothing to write home about in our country, and you don't want to build the change that will bring that change. And you sit there to criticize somebody when want me change come. It not mean say everything where they talk na 100% right. Take the one where you know say it will better humanity. Leave the rest. Must we quarrel for waiting not even wish to quarrel put? Must we argue for waiting not wish to argue put? There are some certain things you just ignore. There are some certain things you don't give opinion on. But when it comes to better your own land, to better your father and your mother's land, you should be able to speak out and be angry about it. And be angry. How youths go push a fellow youth down? Why you go push him? Say because he they talk. What did he talk that way wrong? Sit down, ask yourself. What did he talk that way wrong? What did he talk for there? Let's be plain to ourselves. What did he talk as a human being, as a citizen, to a governor? What did he talk? Make a show now the way democracy they operate. If you not exercise your constitutional rights is dead. If you not exercise this democracy what they talk, freedom of speech what they talk, say it is dead. Not be say to the bullying people for social media, now make them be freedom of speech. No, to use your freedom of speech to better your fellow brother, to better your fellow sister, will not get access to internet. Somebody will not read ABCD. Now you say make it come know that they operate computer. Why will they do like this now? Why will they do like this? Be the change you want. Let me be the change I want. John Osage is standing for the change he wants, and let's leave him to it. Because you hate somebody, not me say you go just see anything where you do, just say na rubbish. Not me say na rubbish. We will stop this thing, I beg. We will stop am for our land to be a great land. We will stop this hate. We will focus our anger to our politicians. You elected them, even though you don't give them your votes. You give them, you don't give them. As long they win, they are your governor. They govern you. They represent you for anywhere around the world. And are your tax that they do those traveling up and down. Now you have them money. Now they do shopping. Where they do? Now you have them money. They buy fuel for their motor. Now your sweat. They eat. Now your sweat, their children, they go Western world, go study. So what are we not getting? Why don't we want to be comfortable? Why we like to the exile for crying out loud? Why? Why, my people? Why? To respect somebody. Not be as we dey look am. When somebody not respects you, I not believe say deserve your respect. This is my opinion. Give cola to those that know the value of cola. Give cola to those that knows the value. I not they talk say my governor not deserve cola. No, I'm not saying it, but you should give everybody the rights to ask questions. Now town hall they call am, I've been a conference call they call am. My governor not answer one question from his citizens. That thing they pissed me off. That thing they make me that thing they make me like, no. Nobody ask. Nobody asks, and nobody is saying anything wrong with it. The only opportunity with people where they get, they didn't use it because they are scared of na elderly person. He knows saying an elderly person before he's sick for that position. He know. He needs you more as you need them. He needs you more. So your power where you know say you get big past that power. Because without you, they no go pay him. Without you, he no go eat. Without you, his children no go study for Western world. Any politicians, that is what you should know. That is what you should say. Okay, let me just ask question for the betterment of my life, for the betterment of your life. I'm sick, I'm tired of seeing poor people crying every day. I cried sometimes before I go to bed when I did for Africa. Sometimes I go bed with empty belly. Sometimes I do stuff where I'm not supposed to do with these stupid politicians because they not just want to make poor people lift up. There are still people like that in Africa. People dey Nigeria, Edo State right now, where their mama they confused, their papa they confused, don't know food where their children want eat. Then somebody want ask question and say, you don't get respect. No one on how can you reject no one? Uje no one hana. When no ja enslaved buenia. Ya enslaved buen, ya ti guan. Slavery what they talk. See where slavery they inside our head. They knock on, they lock on. We dey enslave ourselves because of paper. We are so greedy because we want position, because we want make people see us with powerful people. People will see you with that powerful people, but God will not recognize you because you are wicked and heartless, where you not even know. Or you think say when politicians, any politician come on for where you for do those show, make them for see you, say they go remember you. Call them, that secretary will call, now go answer, say, sorry, the governor is so busy. If you not even take time, they will even tell you, say if you call this line again, they will call security for you because you they stalk them. Now they forgot the hear English where you carry weights. So what is all this? Let's change this our mentality. Let people use their freedom. Let people be free. My way not be your way. The way I take the talk, not be so you take the talk. The way you take the talk, not be so I take the talk. The way you take the reason, not be so I take the reason. The way you take the verse, not be so I take the verse. Wetin you dey do, not the tell person say make you not do am. When you provoke, sometimes you dey provoke past Mr. Dion Osagie. So what are we not getting? Because you get this grandmother or grandfather of hate inside you, you just let him just becloud you. You forget, say he is speaking for the betterment of your land, of your mother's land, of your father's land. How many people will need to bury before our politicians wake up? Because before our politicians stop to tell us lies, before they stop to tell us the word that touches the marrow. Aren't you tired of exciting? You never tire to the right rest in peace for people when not just deserve to die. You never tire to see people they do things we're not supposed to do because there is no job. Are you not tired? You never tired to see mother they cry, say she no fit, they seize her pikin for hospital because she no fit pay. You were the Western world. How many times they don't seize you or seize your pikin, say because you no fit pay? How many times? How many times? How many times you don't hear say somebody they say pikin die because the mother or the father no fit pay for the bill? They will first of all save that child first, because the children are the future. When our children die finish, when we the children no fit ask questions, all of us turn dumb, all of us turn zombie, all of us turn what's I want call them? All of us just they go one way, all of us they think one way. We don't turn robot. We not get future for Edo. We not get future for Edo State when all of us start to do the same thing. I no fit do like you no fit do like me. So let's celebrate our differences. More celebrate our differences, because when I dey act like you, then my pikin they act like you, my husband they act like you, my mama they act like you, my papa they act like you. You go even tire for the world. You go tired. There is nothing to enjoy again. All of us go turn Robocop. All of us go turn machine. All of us, everybody they do the same thing. You go tired. Me plait this hair, I come out, I see 50 people plait the same hair. I go tired now. I feel say na in the rain. But you still go Ring Road, now the same thing. You go Dubai, now the same thing. You go Lagos, now the same thing. You go Abuja, now the same thing. You yourself go tired and you they ask yourself which kind of life you they live. So for that simple reason, we celebrate our differences and celebrate people for who they are. You must not agree with everything we person talk, but don't let that thing make you hate this person. Because if you hate this person, you dey stain that good spirit where they inside you, and the more you dey do, the more that good spirit they stain till you come turn black. But when you let them, they pure. Now so pure things you go to see. Bad news not go to come side you. You know me say you know what they get difficulty, but you will have the wisdom to overcome it, because nobody they get problem we not fit solve. Not be the one where our politicians they give us, whether they whether they impose, whether they impose on us. Not be that one. Let people be. Mr. Dion Osagie didn't do anything wrong. He not insults our governor. He was just trying to make his point clear. Say he's surprised and say your own governor no know. It's somehow now. It's somehow. I watched one video and this person said he was disappointed. Dion Osagie is too rude. He's supposed to get respect for your elder. You get respect for your elder. Get respect for your elder. Your children will continue from this suffering where you did. The way you they suffer, so you continue it. When you don't teach your children how to fight for their rights, how to make his neighbor be good. You feel say Mr. Dion Osagie go just feel like he go come poor like come the person where they for Edo State there, where he and the family they sleep for uncomputed building. It not go fit happen. For him to be like that, he better go dey beg for America. Beggar for America, they reach past some graduate for Nigeria. So what are we not talking about now? Some people where they do whether na Shoroti for Italy, reach past some graduate for Nigeria. People wey no go school for Europe reach pass some graduate for Nigeria. Money wey they receive, not me say some, may I say all of them. May I say all of them, because when you person wey they receive 3,000 a month, convert am, may you see whether graduates go receive am for Nigeria. E no go receive am. Let's make our home a better place. Let's stop to the bullying people. Make we abeg. Mr. Godwin Obaseki, like those ones where you come to talk, you want to start from the top, you want to put computer, you want to put this in the hospital. We don't need computer. Fair leave computer. Give them better bed first. Pay doctors. Pay doctors. Give them better drugs, make them they use. Give them better school, make them for study well. The ones where don't first study, give them reason to treat people well. We don't need computer for now. We don't small start from somewhere. Person where they say, I for help you, but I not get enough money to take help you. I be want help you with 10,000 euro. No, say that person don't want help you. Because person wey want help person start with 1 euro. Now that person I come from the bottom of your heart to make it help you. Somebody they talk say, oh, I for like help you, you don't pass person of 5 euro. I just the plan to help you with 100 euro. Get them for back of your mind, say that person not get intention to help you till you go there. Pack your load and go. Look for another, check the next door. Mr. Godwin Obaseki, this is my constitutional right. With all due respect, sir. I respect you as an elder, and I respect my constitutional rights. I respect myself as a human. I demand and I deserve to ask questions. You of all people should know that, sir. You of all people should know, say, you suppose know, say, your citizens get rights to ask you questions. As a matured man, as a father, as a father wey come from Western world, as man wey don't see things for Western world, as man wey know wetin be democracy, you suppose give Mr. Dion Osagie the room so that people will applaud you. People will say, yes, this man, not be waiting people they talk, not be waiting people they talk about, and not be that thing it really be. So that people can defend you. You would have given him the chance. Even people don't want. There must be always or whether not on position or be opposition, that they call it. There must be somebody where the opposed person. But as a leader, as a man who come from world where freedom of speech is allowed, where come from land of democracy, you for us after they don't talk finish, obstruct them, still give them the right, the room, a right where it deserve as your citizen to pose a question to you. I beg anybody out there, it's not my intention to insult anybody. I not come here, can't insult anybody. I don't insult my governor. I just used my constitutional right as a human being, as a citizen, as a citizen of Edo State, as a citizen of Benin City, Benin Kingdom, anyone, as a citizen of the world. Freedom of speech cover me anywhere where I go. Don't take it personal, I beg you. If you want change, my brother, if you want change, my sister, be the change that you truly want. If you see, say, your area, say, they're not tired, speak up. Be that change where will make governor or your senator or your president, anyone, come tired. Continue to the shout, continue to the speak out. Then you will be hero for your cyberspace. You will be your hero for your own way. You will be hero for any field where you for find yourself. Any field where you for find yourself, my brothers and sisters, you'll be hero. So don't let anybody pull you down. I beg you. I not intentionally want to insult anybody. Not take personal. Not take as something else. If I offend you, find a place in your heart to forgive me, because I want the betterment of the poor masses from where I come from. I know what it takes to be poor. I know what it takes to go to bed without food for belle. I know what it takes not to go to school. I know the pain. I know what it takes to not feel form when you go bank. I know it's very, very painful. So you should be in a good side of history. Be in a good side of history so that when you don't go tomorrow, people will look to what you've done, what you've said, anything where you don't do, people will look to it and still praise your name even if you not there again. I just hope you understand. I beg you not to be angry. Mr. President, Mr. Governor Obaseki, please do understand that we really and truly need change in Edo State. Be the change we want. Give us good health care, give us good education, give us good anything good wey you know say e good for you or better for you. Give unto the poor masses like us, and the world will be a better place. I no intend to insult you, sir. Just take it, say na your pikin na send message come. Take am say na your pikin na dey angry wey don tire to suffer. Na your pikin na dey angry to see a poor friend, a fellow friend, a fellow brother, a fellow sister. They suffer. It hurts, sir. At least I believe say before you dey for that position, you don't still test wetin dey cause suffer. Please, sir, don't take it personal, and I beg my brothers and sisters not to take it personal. This is Sophie Universe, the massive truth. Till I come your way next time, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube to watch more of my video. Patronize me, send me your questions, whatever you think, write it below. What again? Whatever you send me your question, continue patronizing me. I do appreciate my brothers and sisters that request for my carvings, that request for my handwork, my hearings and others. I really do appreciate. Continue patronizing me, and may the good spirit guide and protect you, bless you wherever you go. You're going out and you're coming in the name of whatever you believe. See, I come your way next time. Love you guys. I love you in the name of love.